Welcome and thank you. This is going to be the unboxing introduction video of the TTI JW4 Gen-12 Dracarys. First thing you're going to find is once you get your firearm, it's going to be located in this custom bag by Savior Equipment. I know you're going to jump right to the main compartment, which you'll find hooked down inside here with hook and loop and a little bit of weave where the main body is. You'll have the Dracarys strapped in. These are adjustable straps. They have a H-harness, hook and loop, and then also an adjustable strap. This is a two-piece design, so you can move this anywhere you want within the bag. And this is also designed to be cut. We give you full length of strap so you can customize it for your specific needs and purpose. The other compartment is located on the top of the bag. Inside here you'll have two mesh pockets. Those are both zipper closures. You're going to have two hook and loop magazine pouches. It will include at least one 10-round magazine, a shoulder strap, and then you'll find some paperwork. This is your genesisarms warranty card. You'll also find a sample of gun butter, a sling point for your rail, and because it comes with an EOTech, you're going to have a warranty card. The outside is going to have a hook and loop here so you can accessorize it with any of your patches that you desire. The bag is a nice, sleek, and discreet design, so you can put it comfortably in the back seat of your car or take it to the range and not have too loud of a statement when you show up. All right, after removing your TTI JW4 Gen-12 Dracarys from the bag, we'll go over a few features that you're going to need to know about. The first is the muzzle device. The muzzle device is unique to the JW4 line with the TTI. This is a custom thread that attaches this more compact muzzle device. You're going to need a tool. I've loosened it before the video, but this just threads off, and this allows for the attachment of a suppressor. So now once that's threaded off, you can attach a suppressor to the item. But if you're not going to do that, you just leave the muzzle device located in place. The rail is going to be a key mod interlock system. You do have a key mod sling point in the bag. I've gone ahead and attached that. When you go and attach this, make sure that you use blue Loctite to secure it in place so under firing it doesn't come out. You're also going to have dual charging knobs, one on the right side and one on the left side. This is so you can actually easily function from the left or the right of the firearm. It was really designed and inspired by three-gun shooters because sometimes they would leave the gun loaded in a barrel, and when they would need to come out of the barrel, they would need to rack it rapidly because it's an empty chamber, and it being on the left side was more efficient so the strong hand could stay on the fire controls. This is a unique feature to the TTI line, as our standard line does not have the left side charging handle. It also has a flared magwell kit, a BCM grip, battle arms ambidextrous safety, so that's easily functioned from left or right side. It has a Genesis trigger from Hyperfire. It has the new BCM unibody stock. There's a function on the bottom where you just simply squeeze and then you're able to pull this out and lock it into the position that you wish. It also has QD points, and there's a QD point at the back of the receiver extension so you can have a wide variety of adjustability for your sling and how you want to wear it. Last couple features here on the stock is it has a kick keys pad to manage that recoil, and it has a custom kick keys cheek pad as well. It does come with the EXPS 3-1. The EXPS 3-1 is unique because it's a single 1 MOA dot. So there's not a lot to look at other than the dot and what the target is. So for fast target acquisition and transitions, it's the one for you. All right, the last thing you're going to need to know before you go to the range will be how to insert and release a magazine. Simply insert into the magazine well, and then to remove, you're going to use this button here on the ejection port side to remove the magazine. If you push that, it will drop straight to the ground. No need to hold on to it. Just do your regular magazine reloads that you would normally do with an AR-15. Now, also coming to the market is going to be some enhanced capacity options for you. So we have a 15-round drum. This will function just the same. Insert into the mag well. It's going to clear the flared mag well just fine, but this will give you 15 rounds of capacity in a short overall length and profile. Additionally, Taran has released a +3 extension for the 10-round magazine. And yes, they absolutely function just as good as they look. So there's your full line of accessories and everything you need to know about your TTI JW4 Gen-12 Dracarys. Thank you. Happy hunting.